everybody?
We are going paddleboarding.
That is the plan.
At Winter Haven Chain of Lakes.
Yes, but Mother Nature may have different plans for us. It's currently super overcast and it's been raining. So
that wouldn't be a good day on the boards.
No, well, every day on the boards is a good day on the boards.
However, Florida, it rains here and doesn't rain there, exactly. And on and off. So we're just taking the chance to, hopefully it's not.
We're rolling the dice. So the Winter Haven Chain of Lakes is kind of what it says it is.
It's a chain of lakes.
It's a chain of lakes.
We've never been.
Nope. But they're all interconnected with little canals. And so you can paddle from lake to lake to lake, and there's housing and stuff along the canals. And
one of them they call the Venetian Canal.
Yes.
So it's kind of like
Venice, Italy.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we'll see. I don't know.
Should be fun. Hopefully we'll get there and the sun will pop out and it'll be a glorious day on the boards.
That's the hope.
But only one way to find out, and that's to keep going.
Yes.
So we're gonna go.
Okay.
See ya.
All right, so we're here. The sun is shining.
Yay!
The parking spot where we were gonna put in, or the
Dinky Dock.
Dinky Dock.
And it really is incredibly dinky. It's so small.
It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah. But there's no parking. So now we're driving around town trying to find a public parking spot that's close enough to be able to drop our boards off. And
there's a parking spot right there. It was a parking garage.
Oh, okay.
Oh, all right. We're getting close.
All right, we gotta figure this stuff out.
All right. That might work.
So we are gonna go back and park at that parking garage.
Yes.
So we're gonna get the boards off here.
Drop them off.
And I'm just gonna sit with them, and Joel's gonna take the half-mile walk.
Taking one for the team.
All right.
All right.
Hopefully you can find that parking spot again.
I need to find it twice. Once now and then once after we get done.
Oh, that's true. Don't forget.
All right. I'm going to park the vehicle.
Okay. We'll see you in a bit.
Yes.
Like Joel said earlier, we were at Dinky Dock, but just keep in mind that, there's 20 or so parking spots, maybe a little bit more, but it was 9:30 when we got here. They opened at 8 and they were full. So I think we're gonna bring our boards down there and actually put them in the water when Joel gets back. So right now I'm gonna get them all set up. I just left it all here for me and he'll be back, hopefully. And he's back. Right as you came up, a car was leaving.
Of course.
Well,
let's get on these boards.
Let's go. All right, we're finally on the water. Lake Virginia is this lake. And we're gonna head to the left to the first set of canals, which I believe is Fern Canal. Hopefully I get all these names right.
There will be a quiz at the end.
Yeah. All right, so this is the Genius Canal east to Lake Mizell, or Mizzle, or however you say that. But this is not the one that we were wanting to do, so we're gonna go through and reconvene.
We're lost already.
This is just a short little one. You may have to duck. All right, we were lost. Not lost. I know where we are in the map, but not knowing where we're going, it makes me lost. So we just found a group of paddlers that looked like that maybe they were from a guide.
A guide, yeah.
So he said to follow them, and I think we better go do that.
You're getting away.
Let's go. We gotta catch up.
Getting away.
Okay, guys. Now we're at Fern Canal, and we are going to Lake Osceola. No wake, no swimming, no mooring, and do not litter. So, our first of the good big canals.
Okay, Amy is having technical difficulties. She actually had to break out her reading glasses so she could read the screen.
Recording stopped due to battery.
Our Insta360 camera just stopped working, so.
I didn't bring any extra batteries.
All right, well, you guys are gonna get the video that we can get. All right, Amy, I'm drifting by because I can't stop, so there you go.
If you blow on it or tap on it, it'll fix it.
There you go. All right, and then that's the canal that we just came down.
Well, the 360 is dead. I guess I didn't charge it last night. All these batteries and cameras, it's hard to keep them charged, and I didn't bring extra. So we will get some video of the really cool canal, but it'll be shorter videos. Sorry.
Can't paddle and record at the same time.
No. So now we're gonna go on, this is, what did I say this was? Lake Osceola. And we gotta go all the way to the other end.
Against the wind.
Against the wind.
Let's go.
So we are gonna improvise on this since we can't use the 360 camera.
Right.
And we want to bring you the best possible experience. So Joel's gonna sacrifice and he's gonna pull me through the canal.
That's the plan.
I a lucky girl. So we have these great tie-offs. They're actually hammock straps and we use them for the boat and the paddleboard. And they're awesome.
They're great because every few inches there's a loop.
Yeah,
that you can use for whatever you need.
So we're gonna do that and I'm just gonna sit back and relax and record.
And I'm gonna work.
Aren't I lucky?
It's gonna be fantastic.
All right, here we go. I'm doing good. Venetian Canal, north to Lake Maitland. That is where we're going. Don't you feel like you're going through Venice canals?
A little bit.
Oh yeah, you need to sing like a gondola. I know. Let's do some more.
Tomorrow will be too late. Good?
That was great. We are losing the sun a little bit, so. I know, right? I want to have these houses right here. How awesome is that? This is working well. See, look.
Right?
And I'm just sitting here doing nothing. Hi.
It's very echoey.
Echo. There you go. Look at these cute little like boat slips. So there's a boat coming up, and this is the problem. These canals are so narrow. Luckily the boat's narrow too. Pulling me along. Hopefully I don't run into you. Perfect. Have a good day. All right, unhook me.
I'm unhooking you.
Look at that water up there. I don't know about this. That's gonna be a tough paddle on that lake. We're gonna try to go, there's a big island in the middle called Dog Island. We're gonna try to go that way. They say it's about a half mile. And we're gonna head up there to maybe eat lunch.
Maybe.
We'll see. I don't know about this weather, so. Thank you for pulling me through.
You're very welcome, my dear. All right, here comes Amy. The water's a little choppy, so she's opted for the sit-down method.
I didn't want to fall off.
Right. I don't want her to fall off either.
No. Sitting down on these coolers are lifesaver.
Numero uno.
Plus this boat's giving us lots of weight.
Yeah,
so.
there's some ski boats and stuff, people wakeboarding and water skiing.
Looks like fun.
Unless you're on the paddleboard next to them.
Exactly. Joel, I found us a little oasis. We're coming up on Dog Island. Look how clear this water is for being a big lake. And we're gonna come out here. There's nobody out here right now. Put our feet in the water and eat some lunch. Look at this.
This is a little slice of paradise.
Didn't I put us on a good place?
You did.
Look at this. So clear. I can even see my feet.
I was just telling Amy I may have to go for a dip.
Absolutely.
The water's calling. Can you hear it?
I can hear the bugs.
Yeah.
What do we got up here?
We got some trails.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if we could come out here and camp at some point.
Oh, you know, I think I saw pictures.
Might be kind of cool. Bring Mac out here.
The boat.
The boat. Camp for a night or two.
I don't know. We'll have to look into that. So we brought our coolers out to the beach area.
Sorry, I had my mouth full.
Ah,
I couldn't talk.
couldn't wait to eat, could you?
No.
So yeah, these coolers are so great for multi-purpose.
Yep.
Use them on the boards, use them
On the
out here.
beach.
But we brought some sandwiches and some grapes.
Amy makes a mean sandwich.
That's about all I make. So we're gonna sit here and eat our lunch and enjoy the view from Lake Maitland, watching
From Dog Island.
from Dog Island.
Dog Island, yeah.
And
There's no dogs here, by the way.
no, there's not. There's actually nobody on the island for being a Saturday. I thought
Yeah.
that was odd. But lots of people out there water skiing and tubing. Somebody could pull me behind a tube.
I can't.
Can't do that on the
No, I
board. Lunch was great, but the clouds are rolling in.
And the cicadas are going crazy.
I told Joel it's time to go.
We gotta go. When Amy says go, we gotta go.
We gotta go. So we're not gonna do any video going back just because you've seen it all. And
we're trying to beat the rain, apparently.
we're trying to beat the rain.
Right.
Sometimes I don't understand people, but there's trash all. Just little things.
Right there.
There's a garbage can right there. But as we always say, we like to leave things better than we found it.
Cliff Bar, anybody?
So we'll pick up the trash, we'll put it in the trash container, and then we will leave.
And then we will leave. Leave no trace, isn't that what they say?
Yes,
leave no trace.
leave no trace.
Look at that frog getting ready to jump in the water.
And we're back on Lake Virginia.
Almost back to
That's
Dinky
where we're
Dock.
going. Dinky Dock. Almost done. And we're back. Now Joel has to go get the car again.
Let's flip a coin.
I lose.
Heads I win, tails I win.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. That was a good paddle.
It was a good paddle.
Yeah.
You don't need to stand this close to me.
It's too close. Too close. So.
Stand over there. So we're back and we made it before the storm.
We did a little few sprinkles.
I don't know if it's going to rain, but it only sprinkled a little on us.
Yeah,
so.
and it was a really, really fun trip. It was actually as nice as we were hoping it was going to be.
Yeah.
It was, the canals are super cool.
We were hoping to come out here for a long time, so it was I'm glad that we finally were able
Finally
to do
got out
it.
here. Yep.
So definitely would recommend it.
And the lakes are really beautiful. The water is really clear.
It's clear. I just can't believe how clear it is.
For a big lake.
But there's so many lakes in this area that have canals, I think.
Right, yeah.
Because that's why they call it Chain of Lakes.
Chain
of Lakes.
Chain of lakes, yeah. So you can come out here and spend all day or spend a few hours, but yeah, it's a really cool place.
So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe.
Boop, boop.
And like and comment and do all that fun stuff.
And what's the bell? Hit the bell. So that way.
That's all the fun stuff.
Notification. Bells. Apparently bells are fun.
So we'll catch you on the next adventure,
right.
guys.
Bye, guys.
Have a glorious day. All right, so Joel did go get the car, and I got everything unhooked from the boards and just waiting for him. So he is a good man, that Joel.